So good morning everyone. It's 6:30. Then whether you can say properly or not, but yeah. And yeah, surprisingly I woke up early because last night I slept off a bit, and in the middle at around 3 I woke up, and yeah, I went to pick up my brothers. If you've seen from my previous video. So I've just woke up, and so we'll go and see the morning view today. Finally, I will be able to see the morning view. So after that, we'll see what do they have for us today. So this is the morning view. I don't know who's in the kitchen. Wait. Yeah. So right now I'm in the kitchen, and my mom is already cooking. And here is our Janap kitty. See, look at his face. What? I just woke up now. I can feed you now. I just woke up. See, he's already sleeping. See. Once now he goes to my lap, he'll sleep off. That's his habit. So I'll have tea now, and yeah, catch up with you guys. So guys, I just took wash up, and yeah, now I'm ready to go to the shop. So I'll just take my accessories that I need to take up. So I'll just quickly take it and yeah, get going. So guys, I've just opened my shop, and you see, it told me, see, it's because yesterday I was making this, as you know, I modified a bit. So as I turn it on, this will work. And yeah, even this light I made, since there was no work yesterday, I just had to make this. Wait, I will show you how this turns on. See, this is the thing. See, so I'll clean up the mess and yeah, get back to you guys. So shop cleaning is done. See, wait, let me just show you from the front camera. See, so right now I'm repairing this speaker. It's a problem of battery, so I'll show you the time lapse.